Hey guys, Frankie here. This is just basically a quick something. It's a quick demo of Church Live. Church Live being the presentation software that I am building, which hopefully will have a clean, simple interface, while also being powerful and useful for your church. Basically, it is based off XML files. All the songs are XML files. The Bible is going to be in XML, and it's going to basically read that and, of course, display it as a presentation and stuff like that. Currently, I've only worked on the songs feature, and here is a XML file for the song Beautiful Exchange by Hillsong. As you can see, it's pretty simple to understand. You've got your main song, you've got your name, the author, the license, and each section you can call it a verse and stuff, and you've got basically everything you need there. So if you wanted, you could even edit your songs as just in a normal text editor as an XML file. However, of course, if you want to be cool, you'd use Church Live to edit your songs and stuff. Anyway, I'm guessing you actually want to see this beast that is Church Live. So I'll just open it up. I had it open, pre-opened. Basically, it comprises of two screens. As you can see, you've got the main Church Live screen and the Church Live presentation screen. This can be duplicated, and you can have multiple ones of these depending on how many views you have. But that's going to be, I'll talk about that in another video, hopefully. In the main Church Live screen, of course, you can maximize that, and it goes full screen and stuff. Just, you know, good, handy to know. You've got three main panels or areas. You've got the browser area where you can browse through the songs, the Bible, slides, videos, images and stuff. Obviously at the moment only songs are working. As you can see, I've got Beautiful Exchange loaded, which is the XML file there, and some other random songs which I just have for testing purposes. All the verses make no sense at all. But of course you'll be able to see why I put them there soon. On the song area, this is also called the playlist area. Basically shows you the insides of whatever you're viewing. So at the moment I'm viewing Beautiful Exchange, so it's going to give me all the verses and chorus and stuff about Beautiful Exchange. When you click on it, when you click on a verse, it will be pushed to the presentation area, and basically this is just a cool area basically, where you can preview what's being shown to the congregation through the presentation screen, which I'll talk to later. You can also move around stuff, and when you click push to live, it will be positioned on the actual presentation screen. Let's just pop that back in there. Click push to live again, and yeah, that's that for this area. The presentation screen can be viewed maximized or in full screen by double clicking it and waiting for it to go full screen. And so yeah, there we go. That's just the main presentation screen, and of course you can drag that to whatever secondary display you have, maybe a projector or something where you can show people. Yeah, just to exit, just press escape and it'll return back to its original state. So yeah, you can of course move through it and it will be updated here. The sizes and stuff is all relative percentage wise, so if you have the view in small, the text will come out small, well, will not fit, but as you can see, if I put a long verse here and move into full screen mode, it will automatically fill out. So of course when you're showing the congregation, it's not going to look all weird like this. This is just to scale basically. You can move this round there, click push to live and pop it down to the bottom of the screen there, and of course you get Hillsong at the bottom there. One last feature that you should probably know of is the quick search function, which is pretty cool, if I can say so myself. let's go ahead and search for the song Beautiful Exchange. It'll basically filter it and will give us the song Beautiful Exchange. Now, what the quick search function does is it will search through basically everything about the song. So it will search through the song's name, the song author and license, the verses. Basically, you'll just search through everything about the song and it will return the closest match that it's found. So let's first just search for beautiful, because we know that the song starts with beautiful. Make sure you spelled it right, of course. And then press enter. And it has filtered it with the song Beautiful Exchange. To remove the filter, just press backspace and enter. Just remove your search term and it'll give you your songs back. Okay, so I've got one of these random songs and I'll just pick this one called The Cool Song, and this one has the word "ma chorus" in it, well, the sentence "ma chorus" in it. So let's search through them, and instead of searching for the song name, I'm going to search for the item "ma chorus" in there, and we'll just type in "ma chorus," and hopefully it will filter at the song. It'll know that the song, The Cool Song, has a chorus that says "ma chorus," and it will filter it and give it that. The author of this song is Frankie, and I know that there's two songs with the author of Frankie Chanster. So let's just type in the word Frankie, and it'll give us these two songs. This one is actually slightly different. It's got three S's there, but it just matched the word Frankie and has given us these two songs there, which is also pretty cool. So yeah, that's the song filtering thing. It's pretty awesome, if I can say so myself. As you can see, I have tried to make the interface of Church Live as cool as possible. We've got, some nice tabs there, scrolliness and stuff like that. And of course the presentation, you can middle click on tabs to close them. So if I middle click on the Bible, it'll close it, and you see you've got all this stuff. And of course, since it doesn't need to scroll anymore, it won't scroll. Another really cool thing about Church Live there. Yeah, so that's it. Of course, all these stuff like the push to live button and stuff like that, I'll add it into the interface and it's gonna look nice and stuff. And what else to talk about? You'll be able to resize these areas here. You'll be able to change the text settings like font size and color and stuff. You'll be able to add backgrounds to your presentations, and you'll be able to add more areas like this, which of course you can add your church logo or something like that if you want. You'll be able to have multiple presentations, and then you can drag each of those to the display you want, and you can sort of have different views for different areas. That's about it when it comes to Church Live at the moment. Of course, there's going to be heaps of other cool things coming, and I'm going to make videos as soon as I make them, showing you what it is. Yeah, so I guess you can comment and tell me what you think about it. Thank you. Goodbye.